Do all four of you share a brain cell? I'm the eight tails. Do you know who I am? I mean, have you not heard my raps before? Brother, I say this clip, I must say, how come nobody never tell me about this? Now I gotta watch Shippuden. I didn't finish Shippuden, I didn't even really start it. Versus Killer Bee, bro. Now, I don't know a lot about Killer Bee. I know two things, right? I know three things. I know that Killer Bee raps, so I look at him as like the designated black guy. Killer Bee is like the unk of the show. You know the man that where could have gone at the NBA if he never twist him ankle? Killer Bee is that, brother. Killer Bee is the man where him did have a tune with Jada Kiss where they got crazy one time, but you know what I mean? Like him, Killer Bee still know Wagwan in the streets right now. Killer Bee got at least 4 pair of fresh J's. Like fresh J's. Like the box not open yet. But I also know that he's an 8 tails. Right? I also know that he's an 8 tails. So I don't think Sasuke is a tail beast. You know. Sasuke doesn't have a Jinchuriki. I said them name, right? Jinchuriki. Sasuke don't have one of those. So I don't see why him feel like him would have want to take on Killer Bee, especially because Killer Bee is clearly a big man. And also, why he got like 9 swords? Brother, if me a fighter, brother, here's what I need to know now. How is Sasuke even losing this fight at all? Because ain't Sasuke supposed to be some super strong, Sharingan guy? Where are the Sharingans? You can't see none of this? Ooh, you got sliced, my boy. That's 3. That's 3. This is overs. Killer Bee clearly don't want to kill you, right? That's 3. Damn. Imagine having the kind of eyes that you only get when you betray your best friend. Imagine getting the kind of eyes that you only get after killing a family member. Imagine the kind of eyes that you only get through bad mind. And you can't see this guy juggling 3 swords. Folded. Brother. No day I take the Krillin treatment. No day I get Krillin, bro. You not about to Krillin me like that. You're not about to line of attack. So all I want to know what this. So you tell me say the treat. So 4 I want to know. Can I make 1? 4 I want to know what this. Man, ain't this his special move? He joined out Chidori. This is like his thing, right? This is like, isn't this his time to get serious move? You already died 4 times, bro. I don't think Chidori. I don't know. I mean, can't the magnetism? Him have lightning power. Him can't go and like use the lightning for attract the sword to him, and then him can't do stuff like that. I feel like that's not out of the realm of things of possibility in Naruto. But also, to be fair, he also only got 1 sword, bro. He can't throw his sword like that. Is this supposed to be doing something? Was he supposed was something supposed to be happening to him?
あいつもチャクラ流しを使えるのか
Yeah, I'm the fucking A-tails. Are you an idiot? Are you slow? Do all four of you share a brain cell? I'm the A-tails. Do you know who I am? Have you not heard my raps before? Are you kidding? I'm the A-tails, fam. You ain't heard my bars? Come on, bro. You playing. You're playing. You're absolutely playing. I'm like a mother. Ain't no way I get my ass whooped like that by Cisco. You crazy? You out your mind. Are you kidding me, bro? Stabbed twice. So this is what? This is like the fifth time, right? This is like fifth death, right? Because he's been getting the shit kicked in this whole fight. This whole fight, this entire idiot, watch me get stabbed 7 times. Them idiot, them 4 idiot, them 3 idiot stand up on the side and watch me get stabbed 7 times before them move. Take them jackets off. Y'all take them jackets off. Take all of them coats off. Take them coats off. Disgrace. Absolute disgrace.